Hello everyone. Today is 6th of September 2022 and this is my terrace. See, this is the place I do my exercise workout. This is my mat. This is my chair for my meditation practices. My apple to eat. So uh, right now it is around 7:30. So I'm doing my exercise here, and it's good to do exercise and build your muscles strong, so that you can take much more responsibility for the future, for the people you will be serving. So be prepared for it and just go for it. Don't think that I can't do this, that. Just start. Just one push up a day, half a push up a day, either inclining push up a day or wall push up a day. It's damn easy. You'll not be able to uh, feel like you're doing workout. You'll feel like it is fun. So just start doing it. Let's go for it. Okay? How will you? I'll show you how I do it. 1 second. Huh? This is the wall. Okay, and can you see me? Yeah, this is very easy. You have to just stand, take this support from the wall and just do this. It's that easy. That's all you have to do. Just start with two wall push-ups. That's all. Just one and two. I started with that only. Now I am able to do 30 plus without a break. So I hope you enjoy this and keep working on you, so that you can improve the way I am improving. Thank you and meet you soon.